Today's tutorial, how to convert XAML to PDF in .NET MAUI. Hello coders, in today's tutorial we're going to explore how to convert XAML to PDF using IronPDF in the new .NET MAUI. Before we get started, I'd like to point out that I've already installed the IronPDF library and its MAUI extension. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and use the NuGet Package Manager to install it into your project. So now that we have IronPDF set up, let's delve into our pre-written code. In the main page.xaml.cs, we have a simple setup. Let's go through this pre-written code together. We begin by utilizing the Chrome PDF renderer from the IronPDF library. The HTML header is our PDF set with basic HTML fragment, in this case, a simple header. Moving forward, render content page to PDF is our star method here. It turns the current MAUI page into a PDF document, giving it a PDF document object. We then save it into our desired location using the save as method. And remember, using XAML for rendering allows us to utilize all the splendid features available in the rendering options, including the addition of text, HTML headers, footers, image stamping, page number addition, customization of size and layout, and all that. So let's hop on over to the main page.xaml and inspect another bit of pre-written code. So here we have a simple button named Print to PDF button, which is central for our user interface. Upon clicking this button, the print to PDF method, which we just discussed, will be invoked. This triggers the PDF creation process, of course. All right, it's action time, so let's run the project and see our code in motion. Program is running now, so when we click the print to PDF button behind the scenes, our MAUI page gets converted to a PDF, getting saved in our defined path. So let's see the generated PDF, and voila, here's our generated PDF, including the HTML header that we defined. The quality and preciseness with which IronPDF creates XAML to PDF are truly splendid. Feel free to play around with the different rendering options available and make sure to check out the IronPDF documentation for a lot of really cool features. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. If you'd like to try IronPDF and you haven't yet, please sign up for a trial on our site, download, install it, and check out the power yourself.